He is the hunk that takes your breath away. He is the celebrity with the heart, as he so generously gives of himself to worthy causes. He is the actor that gave many critically acclaimed performances and has received different acting awards and special citations.
Nagkampong ka ng tatlong hindi magkakadugot, inaasahan mong walang tutubong damdamin para sa isa't isa. Sana naisip mo yung bago mo kami kinulong dito.
Wala akong hiling manood ng mga opera dahil ang gusto ko sine!
At ngayon, he gives us the performance of a lifetime with ABS-CBN's newest teleserye, Iisa Pa Lamang.
Isa sa pinakamagandang teleserye.
Nakahangaan ng mga tao si Peter.
Superb acting. Panalo si Peter, another quality program.
Lahat ng cast magagaling. Dito is a revelation for me here in Iisa Pa Lamang.
And today is the day for Peter Ocampo.
Honey, happy birthday. Sana nagawa mo na lahat ng things na gusto mo gawin for this year. You're such a strong person. And sobrang bilib ako sa'yo. Sana maging super duper happy ka na.
Live on ASAP OA, we give you the man of the hour, Peter Ocampo.
Staring out into the night, trying to hide the pain. Going to the place where the feeling good don't really cost a thing, and the pain you feel is different kind of pain. I'm going home. I'm going home. The miles are getting longer, see. The closer I get to you, I've not always been the best man, friend for you, but your love remains true. And I don't know why you always seem to give me another try. I'm going home to the place where I belong, where your love has always been good enough for me. You know I think you got me all wrong. I don't regret this life I chose for me. But this place is empty, spaces are getting old. I said these places and these spaces are getting old. So I'm going home. I'm going home. Happy birthday, Peter Ocampo!
Wow! At syempre ang Hawks. Parang na-deja vu ako dito. Mga kapamilya, we have the Hawks in the house!
Sabi nga, this is the first time diet, pare. Star Magic Anniversary, hindi ito nabuo, pare. Birthday mo lang.
Reunion ito! Anong masasabi mo, Diet? Para sa'yo lang, nabuo ang Hawks ulit.
Dapat lang. Ganyan talaga rin pag gumatanda.
Ano ba ang message ng Honks para kay Diet? Guys, anong message mo?
Ako, pare, I'm just so happy that you're doing a soap again. And I'm so happy na magkaibigan tayo and nandito pa rin tayo sa industriya.
I pray na kung ano man nasa puso mo, that God will grant it. All the desires of your heart, pare. May all your dreams come true. I know marami ka pang gustong tulungan sa Kids Foundation. And we're here to back you up, pare. Happy birthday.
Salamat.
Well, man, wala. I love you, pare. We all love you. We're happy to be here. Happy for you.
Good man, bro.
Wish you all the best, man.
Dude, just like what they said, we miss you, we love you, and of course, continue to help a lot of people and entertain them. Ayun na yung mga kanta natin, oh.
We miss you more.
Thanks, bro.
Igorn.
B, pare, naalala ko tong kanta natin eh. Pare, masaya ako para sa'yo kasi hindi na natin kailangan mag-push up bago tayo kumanta. Tapos,
Yung marble na iwan sa dressing room.
but on a serious note, Diet, you have invested on the right things and the good things, pare. You have a blessed heart. Love you, man, and God bless you more.
Teka muna, kailangan muna natin na makarinig ng sample. Kailangan na mag-example
Okay.
ng song na narinig natin.
Before anything else, I would like to also thank Randy Ortiz for this very nice get-up for today.
Wow.
Bench, Celia Benchan, of course, Pizza, Mr. George Araneta, Oakley, Ramesh Doriani, Malayan Insurance, Gia, Tita Yvonne, Martin, Time Depot, Neil Pride, Mancharo, I'm so proud
Come on, old
that I'm so
tradition.
happy to be part of the new project. Isa pa lamang. Deo and Vinal, of course, Tita Cory, as a family, and may isa pa lamang family, and Star Magic family, I love you all, Tita Moch, Nina, and the rest of the guys. And of course, my coach, Mr. M, I love you, and to my manager, Tita Mariol, and to all my fans, and to all the kids, sa lahat po ng mga batang sinusuporta namin sa Kids Foundation na siya ang aking inspirasyon para gumawa ng maraming magagandang proyekto. Para sa iyo po ito, aming mga kapamilya.
At bilang old tradition ng Honks, kailangan nyo daw maghubad at magtako. Wow! Ang hot naman itong song.
Phases and these phases again.